morning children, welcome back to the online class. Yesterday we seen introduction about the fractions. So let's go to our today's class, conversion of improper fraction to mixed fractions. So example, I am taking 3 by 2. How to convert this improper fraction to a mixed fraction? So to convert improper to a mixed fraction, we have to just divide these two numbers. So 2, 3. So 2 in 3, 1 time, 1 2s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So how to write this in mixed fraction? So we have to write coefficient place first for whole number. So next for fraction part we have to write the remainder by divisor 1 by 2. This is the conversion of improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Next, conversion of mixed fraction to a improper fraction. So take 1 by 1 by 2. So how to convert this mixed fraction to an improper fraction means, so we have to multiply. So which we have to multiply here? So we have to multiply the whole number and the denominator of a fraction. So 1 into 2. So after multiplying these two, we have to add the numerator to this product plus 1. Divided by, we have to take the denominator of the fraction, that equals to 1 into 2 equals to 2 plus 1 by 2. So that equals to 2 plus 1 equals to 3 by 2. Next, pictorial form of a fractions. So we can represent fractions in pictorial forms also. Pictorial means figure representation. Suppose I am taking 1 by 3. How to represent this fraction in pictorial form? So that I am taking a circle. So we have to divide this circle into 3 parts. We have to see the denominator of the fraction. So we have to divide this into 3 parts. So how many we have to shade here means take the numerator value. So 1 part we have to shade here. This is the pictorial representation of this fraction. Next, take 4 by 2. So this is an improper fraction. So how to represent improper fractions in pictorial form means, so we have to take, I am taking a square here. So we have to divide that square into 2 parts. So how many parts we have to shade here? 4. So in this whole part we have 2 parts. So we have shaded 2. So we have to shade again 2 parts. Again I am taking another whole part. So I am dividing that part into 2, that whole into 2 parts. So we have to shade these 2 also. So means 4 parts, 4 by 2. This is the pictorial representation of this improper fraction. Next, come to the exercise. Exercise 5.1. So second problem. So arrange the given numbers in ascending order. How to arrange these fractions in ascending order means, so here they are given the unlike fractions. So if we see here denominators of the given fractions, so these are all the unlike fractions. So to arrange them fractions in a ascending order, first we have to convert them into like fractions. How to convert this into like fractions means, so take the denominators of these fractions and find the LCM. So means find the LCM of 7, 8, 4, 7, 9. So why we have to find this LCM means, like fractions means same denominators for the all fractions. So we have to get the same denominator of these fractions. For that we have to find the LCM for the given fractions. So 7, 8, 4, 7, 9. So for doing LCM we have to use only prime numbers. So here I am taking, so before doing LCM, we have to see at least two number cancelling a same table. So here I am taking 2. So 2 is not in 7. So take that same number. So 2 is cancels 18 4 times. 2 in 4 2 times. 7 is not there. 9 is not there. Okay, take that same numbers. Again here I am taking 2 because 4 and 2 are in 2 table. So 7, 4 in 2 times, 2 in 1 time, 7, 9. Here I am taking another one, 7. 2 sevens are there. 7 in 7, 1 time, 2, 1, 1, 9. So here I am taking 3 table. So 1, 2, 1, 1, 3 in 9, 3 times. So no more two numbers cancels in a same table. So we can write the value of the LCM here. So LCM of 7, 8, 4, 7, 9 equals to, how to write this one? We have to multiply these all numbers. 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 2 into 3. No need to take the 1. So that equals to 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, 28 into 3. See the rough work here. 8 3s are 24, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. So 84, 84 into 3, 84 into 2. 4 2s are 8, 2 8s are 16. 168 into 3. So 8 3s are 24. 3 8s are 18 plus 2, 20. So 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So what is the answer? 504. This is the value of LCM. Now we have to change all these denominators to 504. So take the first fraction 2 by 7. We have to convert the denominator into 504. By which number we have to multiply 7. So take the fraction. So to which number multiply with 7 to get a 504. To get that number we have to divide this with 7. So 7 7s are 49. So 1 minus 1 4. So 2 times 14. So means 72. By which number we have to multiply with the denominator? By same number we have to multiply with numerator also. So that equals to 7 into 72 becomes 504. 72 into 7 means 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14. Next, take the next fraction 3 by 8. So 8 into 3 into. So to become 8 into 504. So we have to divide 504 with 8. So 6 times 48. So 10 minus 8, 2. We have to take 4. 24 in 8, 3 times. So 63. So we have to multiply with numerator and denominator with 63. So that equals to, so 8 into 63 becomes 504. 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18. Next, take the next fraction 3 by 4. Next, we have to divide 504 with 4. So 1 time 4 minus 1, 0. 2 times 8, 2, 4. Means 6 6 times 126. That equals to 4 into 126 means 504. So 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 3 1s are 3. Next, take the next fraction 5 by 7, that equals to, so 5 into 7 into. So to get that number we have to divide 504 with 7. So already we done that problem here. So how many times? 72. So 7 into 72, 504, 5 2s are 10, 5 7 5s are 35 plus 1 36. Next one 4 by 9. So 4 into 9 into. To get that number we have to divide 504 with 9. So 5 times 45, 5 4. So 6 times 56. So 4 in so 9 into 56 becomes 504. 6 4s are 24. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. These are the like fractions. So 2 by 7 becomes 144 by 504. 3 by 8 becomes 189 by 504. 3 by 4 becomes 378 by 504. Next 5 by 7 becomes 360 by 504. 4 by 9 becomes 224 by 504. So all these fractions converted into like fractions. So now we can arrange them easily. So ascending order. How to arrange numbers in ascending order means small number to big number. What is the smallest one? So here all denominators are same. So we have to see the numerators. What is the smallest numerator here? 144. So what is the fraction here? 2 by 7. Next, what is the next smallest is 187. So what is the actual fraction? 3 by 8. Comma. Next, what is the smallest one? 224. The actual fraction is 4 by 9. Next smallest is 360, 5 by 7. So next one is 378. So actual fraction is 3 by 4. So this is the arranging of fractions. So next class we will continue the next sums.